Hey, everyone. Welcome to Crypto Moolah. In today's video, we're learning about Metamask wallet and how to create a Metamask wallet. What is Metamask wallet? It is a crypto wallet and a gateway to blockchain applications. Before we go in deeper details on understanding and appreciating Metamask, we first need to identify our problem statement. What is our problem statement? Web 1.0 was the birth of Internet. And with the introduction of Internet, we could now run applications on networks that are centralized. This era presented a lot of opportunities and also gave us easy access to the global information. With Web 1.0, the Internet was static pages of data. As a consequence, its users only consume information from the Internet, while with the advent of Internet Web 2.0, user consumes information from the Internet, and the Internet also consumes or collect information from its users. We also know that with Web 2.0 services like Facebook, WhatsApp, Snapchat, etc. emerged. The first problem that Web 2.0 poses is that only big companies like Facebook, Google, Microsoft, Amazon, etc. controls the Internet. There is no playing field for fair competition. They own big budgets, resources, and they also own your data. We all uses the Internet and all its ecosystem, including free Internet application, and this comes at a cost when coming to data security and privacy. The Internet is not secure, identities get stolen, credit cards get hacked, and no one is safe. To navigate these dangers, we need to revolutionize the Internet. Now with the advent of Web 3.0 using blockchain, the users of the Internet will have full control of their own data and content. The new Internet on Ethereum blockchain gives the power back to the user. Metamask wallet is a distributed application developed on the Ethereum blockchain to ensure that it is safe and secure. The benefits of Metamask wallet are as follow. Metamask give you the ability to navigate and surf the Internet safely and securely. It is a key to connecting to the next generation application that gives control back to the users as well as allow users to own their data. It is a wallet to keep your data and valuables safe and sound. It is a shield to protect you from hacker and data collector. It enables users to send money quickly and cheaper. It allows you to own your identity. No more new passwords for every site you visit, but only one secret phrase that controls your account. I will now take you through the steps to create Metamask wallet either on your laptop or mobile device. It is important to remember that Metamask can be installed as a browser extension or as a mobile app. It is supported on both Android and iOS mobile device. There are two ways to install Metamask as a Chrome extension on your laptop. You can search for metamask.io on your browser, then navigate to metamask.io to download Metamask as Chrome extension. Otherwise, you can search for Chrome Web Store on your browser, then navigate to Chrome Web Store and type Metamask on the search input text and press search. The search result will return you Metamask extension. Click the Metamask extension to start the installation, and on the next screen click Add to Chrome button to install. Metamask will start to install, and you will be presented with the welcome screen on a new browser tab indicating that you have successfully installed Metamask and you are now ready to set up your Metamask wallet. First, go to your Chrome extensions to pin your Metamask wallet so that it is always visible and easy to access. You can now continue to set up your Metamask wallet by clicking Get Started button. You will then be presented with two options, first being to import a wallet if you previously had a wallet, or to create a wallet if you never owned a wallet. How to create a wallet and a secret recovery phrase for Metamask. Click Create a Wallet to create a new wallet and a new secret recovery phrase. You will be presented with the data usage screen. Click I agree to continue with the setup. Next, you will be presented with the screen to create your wallet password. Make sure your password is difficult, long, and has a mix of letters, characters, numbers, and capital letters. Accept the terms of use and click Create button to continue. On the next screen, you will be presented with the video to learn about your secret recovery phrase and how to keep your wallet safe. Click Next to continue. The next screen will present you with your secret phrase. Make sure you do not reveal your secret phrase to anyone. Note that anyone with this phrase can take away your coins. Reveal your secret phrase, write it down, secure it, and click Next to continue. On the next screen, you will be required to enter the phrase in the right order. Make sure it is correct. Click Confirm button to complete the setup. You will next be presented with a congratulations screen indicating that you have successfully created a new Metamask wallet. Click All Done button. You are now ready to use your wallet. Your new wallet is only connected to an Ethereum network. You can add more networks to your Metamask wallet. Congratulations, you now know how to create a Metamask wallet and a secret recovery phrase. I hope you enjoy using your wallet.